Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to buy Solana on Trust Wallet. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to buy Solana on Trust Wallet, it is the same procedure as how you buy other cryptocurrencies. In order to buy Solana, first thing what you'll need to do is log into your Trust Wallet account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page or the wallet page. And on this interface, what you'll need to do is right on top you have an option as buy. Click on it. As you click on buy on the other interface, you'll have a list of options, or you'll need to select the asset that you want to buy on your Trust Wallet. And in order to buy Solana, you need to type in on the search box, and as you click on Solana, this kind of interface appears. So right at the bottom you need to click on buy Solana. As soon as you click on it, next page you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to buy, and right at the bottom you also need to provide your payment details or your information regarding your payment detail. Once you've provided all of the information, click on confirm, and for the confirmation you need to double check all of the information provided and then click on confirm. So once you've done that, within 2 to 3 days later you'll be able to receive your Solana. So that is how you can buy Solana on Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.